Hey guys, it's Angela, and this week is a homecoming week. Or at least this week was supposed to be homecoming week before a global pandemic hit the entire world. This year I am a sophomore in high school, so this would have been my second homecoming, but because of coronavirus, our school doesn't actually have a homecoming. All they really have is a kind of virtual homecoming thing tomorrow, which is Saturday. But that sounds kind of dumb because what are you gonna do during a virtual homecoming? So yeah. But either way, I thought it would be a fun video to kind of get ready for homecoming even though I'm not actually going anywhere. I don't know, I just thought it would be cool kind of, or something I can do to pretend that I'm still allowed to go outside and see actual other human beings. Let's just get into it. So we have 3 parts for the video today. I'm gonna be doing my makeup, hair, and obviously like the outfit I'll be showing you guys as well. For this video, I'm just gonna use the same dress I used last year for my homecoming event because obviously there's no need for me to buy a new dress just for a video. And plus you guys haven't even seen that dress before, so. But yeah, let's do my makeup first. I have this nice little purple mirror right here. This I got from a long time ago. I think it's from like Target or something. I don't know. Okay, this denim jacket is making my arms kind of stiff, so I'm just gonna take it off. Okay, yeah, let's just get into it. So right now I'm not wearing anything on my face, not even chapstick. I did put moisturizer on earlier this morning, so just make sure to do that before you put makeup on your skin to like try and prevent as much as you can for your, prevent your skin from breaking out as much as you can. Okay, so I'm just going to do concealer first because I never wear foundation because I just don't really know how to use it, and I don't really want to cover my entire face with makeup. Wait, I'm gonna prop my mirror up on some textbooks. Got some concealer on my desk and on my shirt. Funnily enough, this would be the first time I would actually be wearing makeup to a school event like this because last year I did not wear any makeup to homecoming. I was a freshman, obviously, since I just said I was a sophomore, and I didn't know how to do makeup at all. And plus, I didn't really see a point, to be honest. And honestly, I was kind of right. They overhype homecoming so much, or at least at my school, because my expectations were kind of shattered a little bit. I don't know. They make it look really fun in the movies, and like the high school like staff makes it seem really fun, but honestly, kind of a disappointment. But I still generally had a fun time. I'm one of those people who like going to dances because I like how like everyone just kind of doesn't care what other people think and just like jump around and dance around and do whatever they want. And yeah, a couple times a year, I think it's really fun. Okay, so I have the concealer on now. Now that I'm looking at it, honestly, I feel like there's not that big of a difference, but that's okay. We're gonna be moving on. Next, I'm just gonna do some like contour slash bronzer slash I don't even know. I just brush some of like a darker color onto my face to try and make my face look more multi-dimensional, or at least that's what the beauty gurus say. I don't really know, to be honest, but yeah. I'm a little sad about homecoming being canceled this year, especially because I have some freshman friends and I was kind of looking forward to seeing them at a school dance. But I guess there's really nothing that can be helped, and it's better to cancel the event than like have a couple kids get coronavirus because of it, you know? Okay, now I'm going to put some blush on to pretend that I have a natural rosy flush going on. I usually do this in my bathroom lighting, so I honestly, this is really weird for me, but I can't really film in my bathroom lighting, as I've learned from previous videos, because my bathroom lighting is just so bad and it honestly makes my skin look really sickly and like weird. So we're just gonna film out here, and I'm gonna do it in different lighting, and I'm gonna suck it up. If you're new to my channel, or I don't know, you just didn't know, I am doing online school because of coronavirus. My school gave us 2 options. You could do either completely online, or you could do like a hybrid version which is go to school every other day and then do online every other day. My parents wanted me to stay home, obviously, because of coronavirus. And honestly, me myself, I didn't really want to go to school that much either, both because of coronavirus and honestly, like, I don't like the process of having to wake up and, you know, talk to people you don't like. It's kind of a bother. Okay, I forgot to say this, but I just used this big fat brush to brush some like setting powder kind of thing on my face. Okay, now I'm just going to fill in my brows a little bit. I just fill them in like my natural shape because I don't really know how to draw brows on. Brows on. So we're just gonna do that, and I know my brows always look super weird, but they can't be helped, man. I don't know how to do brows, so yeah, maybe I'll do a video of me like learning how to do brows, but in the meantime we're just gonna use this tiny little thing. I've been in school since August, and do I miss going to school in person? Not really. Do I miss my friends? Yeah. But do I miss going to school in person? Not really. They're completely different questions if you ask me. Okay, we're just gonna pretend that looks decent and move on. Online school is going okay. It's really hard to stay motivated because obviously when you're in actual real school, you have teachers and like actually going to school to help you stay motivated. But I don't have that, so I just kind of have to motivate myself, which makes it a little difficult to wake up in the morning and like not procrastinate, you know? So now they're just looking a little darker than they were before, but they're the same shape. I think I actually maybe filled them in a little too much. I don't really know. I'm just gonna leave it like this. And now we're going to move on to highlight. So I know I'm probably not doing this right, but I'm just gonna take this same brush that I used for contour. I'm gonna take a little bit of this powdery highlight and kind of brush it on right here. This is kind of my everyday makeup look, but I'll just try to make it a little more glamorous for this fake homecoming we're getting ready for. And I'll also put on some eyeshadow. I know in one of my previous videos that was like how to not look like a sad tired potato, I did put on eyeshadow even though that was kind of more of an everyday makeup look, but I've cut that out since that video because I don't really like, it's not really that necessary and it doesn't really make me look that much better, so ooh, it do be poppin' though. My throat's just getting a little dry. I swear I don't have COVID, I promise. And I'm going to put it in sort of like a pinky color of highlight, and I'm gonna put that under my eye a little bit and in my inner corners. Because inner corners is what all of the beauty gurus do these days, saying it like it's supposed to light up your eyes or something, but yeah. So that's alarming. Just trying to get it. I can never make my inner corner highlight look neat. Like it always looks so messy. Yet I do it every time anyways. I don't really know why. I just like a little sparkle in my life to make up for the sadness of school life. I have this nice teal and rose gold lash curler, and I do this every single time I do makeup, literally for no reason, because I have short straight Asian lashes and they do not curl no matter what I do. No matter what I do. They'll curl for like 5 seconds and then just de-curl themselves. But I do this every time anyways, just to feel like I'm doing a little something extra for them. I'm also trying out this eyelash growth serum, by the way. So that video will be up in like a few weeks. Yeah, surprisingly, mascara does make a difference on my eyeballs. I used to think it didn't, but it really does. Actually, my lashes are looking a little long right now. Is the eyelash serum actually making a difference? We'll see. I think my eyelashes will droop in just a second though, so. We just did that with the Clinque mascara, but it's looking a little chunky, so I'm gonna use this second mascara from Covergirl that has bristles more like this. It's not focusing, it's not focusing. But yeah, they're like rubber bristles, and I'm just gonna go over it again to try and like declump my lashes. Okay, so now let's go move on to the eyeshadow. I have mascara all over my fingers, but that's okay. Sacrifices must be made. So I have this nice palette with all these warm tones because I feel like cool toned mascara eyeshadows are a little too dramatic. So my dress is like purple, but I don't know if I should do purple. Maybe I'll do purple eyeshadow just to kind of mix it up. But that sounds super risky, and also it might be ugly. Okay, I'm gonna do like a light purplish pink. I think I'm gonna do that color. Yeah, I'm gonna try that. If it looks bad, we're just gonna pretend it looks good, because I don't think I have the mental capacity to redo eyeshadow for an event I'm not even actually going to. I know you can't tell from the camera, but I have so much glitter on my face right now. This eyeshadow is kind of shimmery as well. So yeah, I'm gonna be really glittered up for this. Okay, that's not too bad. It's looking a little more pink than purple, but that's okay. You know what? It's not that bad. It's not really showing up that well on camera, but I definitely have a little bit of a purple tone here going on my lid. Okay, I'm gonna add a little more of this darker shade of purple. This might be a fatal mistake because it's not really showing up on camera. Oh yeah, that is definitely dark. Okay, that's definitely showing up more. I kind of got it everywhere. This is not good. I really should have done mascara after eyeshadow. I'm kind of getting eyeshadow on my mascara lashes. A little more purple. It looks a little bit Halloween. It also looks a little bit like I got punched in the eye, but you know what? Purple eyeshadow just does that to you. So we're just gonna go with it. We're gonna add some last touches of highlight that I forgot to do before, even though my face is practically like 70% glitter by now. We're just gonna take a little bit of highlight and just swipe it on the nose here. More highlight and put it on like above my lip. And that is all. I have this tinted chapstick from Burt's Bees. This one is in the color Rose, so I'm gonna put that on my lips. You guys already know I just cannot really wear lipstick because it's so crusty and dry, and it's just not a look for me personally, or at least I haven't really found a lipstick that I like. So I usually just opt for tinted chapstick, and I like lip gloss as long as it's not too sticky, but I lost my lip gloss, so yeah. Okay, so this is what we've got. It's not perfect, but it's something. If I was just doing this to entertain you guys, which technically I am, I would curl my hair or something, but I don't have a curler, and all of the curlers are in my sister's restroom, and honestly don't really want to go over there. And also, if it was realistic, I would probably just put my hair up into a ponytail. Although now that I think about it, maybe I should curl my hair. No, we're just gonna throw my hair up in a ponytail, because if it was realistic, I would put my hair up in a ponytail, because I usually sweat a lot at dances. Okay, so this is what we've got, and now let's go get my dress. So this beauty was my dress from last year. The top looks like this. It's got like kind of semi off the shoulder sort of thing going on. Got these scandalous cutouts in the waist area and this really pretty floral pattern. on the bottom, and it's also like shorter in the front and like longer in the bottom, if that makes sense. But yeah, let's just put it on. Okay, I got the dress on. There was a moment of panic there where I thought that I wouldn't be able to get it on by myself, but it's okay, I got it on. So the good news is it still fits. The bad news is it is a little tight around here, which is understandable because it's been a year. Here's what it looks like. Got these cute little mesh cutouts and this floral pattern. Not sure how I'm going to show the entirety of the dress because I don't have a full-length mirror in my room. That's what the entire thing looks like. I still love it just as much as last year when I first wore it and got it. I think this dress is super gorgeous. I'm not gonna wear any jewelry, just gonna leave the collarbone area bare because, I don't know, I just think it looks better that way. But yeah, that is all for my little homecoming get ready with me video. I know it wasn't that interesting and eventful, but I still hope you guys enjoyed. I had fun doing this new little makeup look, and actually the more I look at it, the more I like it. Happy homecoming season to everyone out there in high school. And honestly, you can still have fun at home. Get into your dress from last year, do your makeup, do your hair just like me. And that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. I post every Saturday. And yeah, that's all for this week. Thanks for watching yet again. Bye! See you guys next week. Also, I realized I forgot to say this, but this dress is from Macy's. This is a size 4, I think. And I will put in the description box where I got all of my makeup products if you're wondering. Okay, that's it. Bye.